struggle with low voltage. Alright, so we give you very detailed breakdowns of wiring diagrams plus how-to videos in our app. But I do want to take a few minutes to talk about our low voltage and what makes us different and then how you can get around it to make it easier. So your indoor unit has the same power, everything as everybody else's. You're going to have your dehumidification, you're going to have your Y1, your Y2, your W1, W2, G.